If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, or journal maker who loves working with textured, one-of-a-kind fabrics, you're in the right place. I'm Vina, curator at Anitavee Textile Designs, where every fabric tells a story, and every bundle is hand-selected to spark your next creative piece. Each week, I release a brand new play bundle every Tuesday and a sneak peek every Thursday so you can plan ahead. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, our first piece. Okay, this is a lightweight, nice flow to it too. Embroidered piece. It has a linen weave type look background. The background fabric there. It may be cotton or linen, possibly a linen cotton blend. I'm not sure this was a remnant, but there is some natural fiber in it. I can tell that much. Okay, that's the way it flows. It's kind of like a vanilla cream color. Give you a close-up. See, the weave is not too tight. Kind of a loose weave. It's the embroidered pattern. There's a good angle. Give you another angle. There. See how that looks? That's a nice angle. I have my hand behind it. And even though the weave is kind of loose, there's really no show through. Okay? And this is the back. Okay? Okay, that's the first piece. Second piece, this is a sage color boucle. Nice texture. There's a good close-up of that. Okay, see that? This is an upholstery piece. There is a light backing, but not too much. It's a pretty thin piece of fabric. Show you that. Okay. This is the flow. Okay. So that is the sage boucle. Next piece is an upholstery piece. It's a coarse weave. If you're familiar with African mud cloth, this is what this reminds me of. Give you a close-up. If you've ever seen the undyed mud cloth, this is what this reminds me of. This is an upholstery piece. Let me give you a close-up. See that weave? Doesn't that remind you of mud cloth? This is the back. There's no coating on it. It's kind of a thicker piece though, as you can see. So let's run a needle through it. This is a size 8 embroidery needle, and I'm using 3 strands of embroidery floss. And as you can see, it's no problem at all. Okay, so that passed that test. No more close-up. This is how it flows. It is a little heavier piece, but it's workable. Okay, the next piece. Now this is a faux leather. It's sage color. Just a close-up of that. This is a nice texture. I like it because there's no sheen to it. I hate the sheen on these type of faux leathers. This one has none. Very good piece. Good quality. It has like a background, kind of a cloth. Well, it's kind of a rubbed felt, woven type background. Backing, I'm sorry. This is the thickness of it, you can see. And we definitely, it is soft, as you can see. We definitely need to do the needle test. So let's do that. That was relatively easy. Okay, and for those of you who have never used faux leather, once you put the holes in there, they're there permanently. So be sure that you, when you start putting your stitches in, just remember you're not going to get a do-over. Okay, there you go. And the last piece, now this I believe is a drapery fabric. And I like the movement of this one. This is really thin, black base, black cross weave. So you see that kind of like, as I move it around, you see the black in it. This is a really nice piece. This will be very easy to sew. Okay, I believe this is polyester. Okay, so let's put them all out so we can see what we have here, so we can see what they look like together. Okay, the woven, the clay, and the embroidery piece. Okay, and this is our Vanilla Sage Calm. Vanilla Sage Calm bundle. Okay. Each play bundle is a small burst of inspiration. If you want larger cuts or companion fabrics, explore my foundation and curation bundles linked below. Join my VIP email list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order, early access to new releases, and private sales not offered to the public. Thanks for watching this week's Play Bundle. Subscribe for unique fabrics for mixed media, slow stitching, and fabric collage. See you Thursday for the sneak peek.